Yes, sir. Rear chin. Haba. Thanks, man. Kala ko kasya sa likod eh. Well, that'll do. But let's go and I'm chasing the police. Pull over now, boy. Pull over, boy. Hey, boy. Pull over, boy. FD boys. Baka doon din pupunta to. Press pa plak eh. Cannot wait, bro. But we are near 6 minutes away. Let's go. Lego. Yes, sir. Golly. We are here. Yeah, it's time, boys. Let's do it. Shisha, boys. Palit na rin ng proof molding. Bumper delete. Hindi ko na sinama yung ducktail. Wala, di nakabit yung rear chin. Baka daw mabasag. Side skirts. Tsaka Yugen RR. Damn, son. Pogi. Angas. Yeah, pinapalit na rin yung cowling. Tsaka roof molding. Bruh. Old bumper. Rear chin na di nakabit. Baka daw kasi mabasag. Repaint na lang. Yes, sir. Peep that in the back. What is that? Bro, what is that, wing? Got new passenger princess. My babies. Got the rear chain na di nakabit. Stock bumper. Yeah, I'm keeping all the stocks. Hinipon ko lang lahat ng stock parts just in case babalik natin siya sa stock for whatever reason. But yeah, I'm happy. Pangit lang sa labas kasi yung masyado mataas. Then bukas ko na hindi ko na pala diretso sa paint shop. Bukas ko na lang drop off. I'm gonna just enjoy it for 24 hours. Yo, we got the Mugen RR wing installed. We got a Mugen RR side scooch. Of course. Then damn, instant lowered. Bro, ang pogi. Mugen RR from Temu. Damn, son. Matte black. Tomorrow papapaint na to. Sheesh, bro. Laki pa rin ng gap eh. Oh, damn. Look at the fog lamps. Wala, di nila makabit yung fiber na rear chin eh. Fog lamps. Yeah, hey. Pogi, sir. Pero papalitan ko rin yan. What's that? Bigat na ng trunk. Ito yung ducktail na kasama dapat, pero hindi ko sinama. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe in the future kabit natin. Tapos ito rin pala mali kasi yung placing, di sakto yung placing ng screw kaya tinanggal to. So pagka paint niya, doon na lang yung kakabit. Pero sakto naman yung frame niya. So yung screw lang hindi kaya pinutol. Tapos ito yung papalit natin soon. The fog lamps, angel eyes. Pero next content na yun para may video pa. Diba? It's coming to life. This build is finally coming to life. Bigat. Boing. Nagbabounce yung ano eh. Pangit lang walang ano, rear chin. Dito lahat eh. Ayun o. Wait, saan sasakay si ano? Paano ka sasakay dito? Bro, we got the bumper, we got the rear chin. Kaya walang space. Need the pickup. Dumi. But anyway, damn, looks so good. Di pa painted. Mas papalitan ko rin to ng clear tails in the future. But for now, yun lang muna. Although hired siya. Hired, not lowered. Tangas dito, bar. Ang lowered pag dito sa part na to, eh. Damn, sir. Hindi pa naman na-scrape. Taas pa naman, eh. Yes, sir. Buti naman black yung kotse ko. Para kahit pa paano hindi masyadong... Ako, di mo halata sa gabi. Bro! This kit is so beautiful. Di yan fake vents. Butas yan. Yeah, papag all gloss black ko to. Tapos dadamay ko na rin yung ano. Di na pala ako bumili na ito. Papapaint ko na lang, mas madali. Ito na lang din. Door handle na chrome. Yes, jet block. Yeah, di ko alam saan siya sasakay. Walang space eh. Oh my god, twin! Let's bounce. Di pa painted pero ang pogi na talaga. Tapos di pa napapalowered. Pogi na rin. Wala yung missing piece. Once mapaintan na. Yeah, that looks sick. Sakto. Pero nakamat kasi siya kaya medyo off. Pero once na pa-paintan natin ng... Wait, sakto ba? Hindi. Di sakto. Yeah, di sakto. Ano pa ganyan na? Baka lang paraan. But yeah. Hindi, ano to, bago. Pogi sa harap. Sa likod, hindi masyadong kita. Pero wala pang rear chin. Looking bare. Then tomorrow diretso paint shop ko na to. Para ipa-paint ng jet black. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Bro, trust the process. It may look ass right now, but trust me, bro. Pogi? Yeah, time to go home. Bye, B. What you think? Pogi. Plus 5 horsepower. Yeah. Wheel gap na lang. Ito, pinalita ko na rin pala yung cowling assembly. Tsaka ito, no more freaking chrome on top. Kasi kumukupas na yung ano eh, kulay.
Bago na to.
Kaya sheesh. Yes sir. Bro, I cannot believe. Noong una, di mo makapaniwala na ka-FD na ako eh. Pero now na nabibuild ko na siya. Sheesh. Hey, shout out to God. Damn. Ngayon nga natin yung ilaw. Mas nalakan eh oh. Look at the back. Cool. Look at the front. Damn, son. Yes, sir. It's time for another pull, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, boys. The next day, before I drop this car off sa paint shop, first we're gonna ship some orders, and then we'll take a last good look sa FD. Sana mag-fit tong rear chin. But yeah, let's go boys. Sheesh, pogi talaga. Damn son, time to say goodbyes. Look at the back though, looking incomplete. It's time to paint this hole jet black. Ito, papamasilya ko na rin pala to para flat. Tsaka yung kabila. Yes sir. Since i-debadge naman natin to eh, tanggalin Civic, Honda emblem, tsaka 2.0. Yeah, tapos tatanggalin na tong chrome. Sheesh, murdered out. Tsaka ito, papapantay natin. Tsaka yung lip, papagloss black, jet black, para walang matte. I'm saying. Yeah. Yes sir. Hey, watch out for the next video. It's gonna be sick.